collision, grinning cat face, smiling face, woman, very dark skin tone, woman,